Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Google Drive and locate the file you will upload. Use Drive Search if you stored it in folders. Check file type and size limits before you attach it in Classroom. Convert files to Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides when necessary for best compatibility. Rename the file clearly with course code and deadline date. Include your name and student ID in the file name to avoid confusion. Make a quick preview to confirm formatting and content before you upload. Open your class and click the Assignments or Classwork tab. You will see a list of posts and a Create or Add button near the top. Click the Create or Add button and choose assignment or material depending on the task. Enter a clear title and concise instructions for the teacher. Attach the file from Drive or upload directly from your device using the Add button. Choose whether to assign to individuals, groups, or the entire class before setting due date and time. Review the uploaded file in the draft to ensure it displays correctly. Use the preview option to verify images, formatting, and embedded media. Click Assign or Post to submit the assignment to your teacher and confirm posting. Note the confirmation message that appears after a successful upload to avoid resubmission. Check the assignment post for a confirmation and any teacher feedback in comments or private messages. Keep a copy in your Drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.